Hello and welcome to today's video, where we're going to unbox and take a closer look at the HAZA PR800 wildlife camera. Let's start by checking out what's inside the package. Upon opening the box, the first thing we see is the HAZA PR800 wildlife camera itself. It appears robust, sturdy, and a good size, but we'll delve into its features further during the video. Now, let's continue exploring what else is in the box. We also find various cables included, such as charging cables for direct electricity use and USB cables for data transfer. Additionally, there's a strap for attaching the camera and, of course, the user manual. Now, let's examine the camera's specifications. As indicated on the box, the HAZA PR800 wildlife camera with night vision utilizes a 2 million pixel color CMOS sensor capable of recording 2.7K 1580p videos and 58MP photos. It also boasts a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. Moreover, it features extensive motion detection capabilities. Using pyroelectric infrared sensor technology, it automatically starts capturing pictures or videos within 0.1 seconds when an animal enters its detection area. Even in low light conditions, as stated by the manufacturer. The camera also captures FHD images at night with a detection range of up to 30 meters. It is IP66 waterproof and can operate in extreme temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. However, now let's set up the camera and see how it works. As I can see, we'll need 8 AA batteries to operate the camera if we want to use it outside without electricity. After inserting the batteries, we can proceed with the setup. To initiate setup mode, pull the power button in the middle to activate the setup mode on the display. Once setup mode is activated, the camera feed will appear on the 2-inch large LCD screen. You can monitor in real time and adjust the camera's position to ensure it covers the area you want to record. Additionally, you can press the menu button to access settings and adjust the camera according to your preferences. This includes parameters such as resolution, picture quality, video duration, and more. Once you've configured the settings to your liking, simply push the button to the right to switch the camera to a mode. You'll notice a 5-second timer countdown on the display, after which the display will turn off, and the camera will begin recording. It will also capture a picture if something passes in front of the camera. So, let's conduct a brief trial to see how it works. I'll attempt to create some movement in front of the camera to test its functionality and capture capabilities. Once we complete the test, it's important to return the on/off button to the middle to set up mode and verify if the camera recorded the movement. As we can see in the pictures, the camera has already managed to capture an image of the hand moving in front of it. However, for a more authentic test, we'll need to take it outdoors. Unfortunately, I can't place it in the forest, but I'll set it up on my balcony to see if any animals appear there. As we can see, it's easy to install. Just find a suitable place where you want to position it, and then secure it with the fastening strap provided with the device. I'll leave it on the balcony for a few days, and then we'll review the pictures to see how they turn out. After a few days of testing, I've selected some pictures taken during both nighttime and daytime. It's worth noting that the resolution by default is set to medium, not the highest available. Additionally, I realized that I placed the camera slightly in the wrong position, directly facing the sun, which affected the quality of the images. Nevertheless, despite these challenges, I maintain that the pictures captured are of good quality, and I continue to believe that the HAZA PR800 wildlife camera provides excellent value for the money. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.